Are you looking for the best 3D scanner? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best 3D scanner on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, EinScan Handheld 3D Scanner Pro. The EinScan Handheld 3D Scanner Pro HD is a high-precision, professional-grade 3D scanner designed for capturing intricate surface details with up to 0.0045mm accuracy and a minimum point gap of 0.2 mm, making it ideal for designers, engineers, and manufacturers working on 3D printing, reverse engineering, or detailed modeling. It offers fast, portable scanning with ergonomic handheld operation and plug-and-play simplicity, processing up to 3,000 points per second while maintaining stability and accuracy. The scanner features versatile modes to handle complex geometries and textures, including dark or metallic surfaces, and supports fixed scanning with turntable or tripod setups using reference spheres and optional spray for challenging surfaces. Output files are fully compatible with CAD, CAM, and 3D printing software, streamlining workflows for prototyping, tool replication, and digital asset creation. Engineered for demanding industry applications, the Pro HD is best used with a powerful PC. Recommended NVIDIA GTX 1080 or higher, 64GB RAM, Intel i7-8700, high-speed USB 3.0, and offers reliable, high-resolution scanning for industrial design, research, digital preservation, and advanced modeling tasks. Number 2, Revopoint POP 3D Scanner. The Revopoint POP 3D Scanner is a versatile handheld 3D scanner designed for high-precision 3D scanning and full-color model capture, offering up to 0.05mm single-frame accuracy and scanning speeds of 12 to 18 frames per second, making it ideal for 3D printing, reverse engineering, product design, and digital preservation. It features dual infrared structured light cameras, a built-in IMU for stable frame stitching, and powerful RGB and white LEDs for enhanced color fidelity, allowing vibrant and realistic full-color scans. The scanner supports both USB-C and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, and is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS devices, providing seamless integration with multiple platforms. It outputs in various formats including STL, OBJ, PLY, ASC, 3MF, GLTF, and FBX, enabling direct 3D printing and easy data exchange with other software. User-friendly features such as touch-sensitive buttons for starting, pausing scans, and adjusting depth exposure make operations simple and efficient, while its compact design and wide compatibility make it suitable for industrial design, art reproduction, cultural preservation, and non-invasive medical applications, backed by a 2-year warranty and 24/7 customer support. Number 3, Creality CR Scan 3D Scanner. The Creality CR Scan Ferret 3D Scanner is a compact portable handheld scanner designed for 3D printing, modeling, and digital capture, offering up to 0.1mm accuracy and a scan frame rate of 30 FPS for fast and efficient scanning. It features dual mode scanning, allowing users to choose between wide range and high precision modes, making it suitable for medium-sized objects such as human bodies, furniture, cars, and statues larger than 50 by 50 at 50 near. The scanner includes a built-in high-resolution color camera for full-color scans and advanced optical technology that performs well even in bright lighting conditions. Lightweight and easy to handle at just 105G, it can be used with one hand and conveniently carried in a pocket or backpack. Connectivity is via USB-C, with optional Wi-Fi 6 wireless bridge accessories to enable compatibility with Mac and iOS devices. The CR Scan Ferret offers a cost-effective, user-friendly solution for 3D scanning, though very small, shiny, or complex objects may require additional care or post-processing for optimal results. Number 4, Creality CR Scan Ferret Pro. The Creality CR Scan Ferret Pro 3D Scanner is a compact and portable handheld scanner designed for high-precision 3D scanning and modeling, offering up to 0.1mm accuracy and a point resolution of approximately 0.16mm, with scanning speeds of up to 30 FPS. It features a 24-bit full-color camera and advanced anti-shake technology that compensates for hand movement, enabling smooth and accurate scans even for medium-sized objects, dark or metallic surfaces, environment and outdoor environments under bright lighting conditions. Weighing only 105 G, the Ferret Pro is lightweight and travel ready, providing flexibility for indoor or outdoor scanning. It supports wireless connectivity via Wi-Fi 6 or USB-C and is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS devices, offering seamless integration across platforms. With its combination of precision, portability, and ease of use, the CRScan Ferret Pro is ideal for designers, engineers, and creators seeking a versatile and reliable 3D scanning solution. Number 5. Einstar Handheld 3D Scanner Pro. The Einstar Handheld 3D Scanner Pro is a portable and user-friendly handheld 3D scanner designed for 3D printing, design, and digital archiving, offering up to 0.1mm resolution and full-color capture with its integrated RGB camera. Utilizing infrared VCSEL structured light technology, it delivers stable, high-precision scans on a variety of surfaces, including hair, skin, and dark or shiny objects, making it suitable for both amateur and professional use. The scanner supports multiple file formats, including OBJ, STL, PLY, ASC, 3MF, and P3, ensuring seamless integration with 3D printing and CAD workflows. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, the Einstar scanner allows for portable scanning without cumbersome setups or external markers, providing realistic, photorealistic color scans and exceptional detail, making it ideal for product design, reverse engineering, digital artistry, and historical preservation.